Today we want to construct an angle of 30 degrees. That is half of 60 degrees. So we have our ruler here, we have our compass and protractor. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to construct angle 60 degrees for us to get 30 degrees. So we now get our straight line here. We have gotten our straight line, so we can let this point here to be our point B. We can let it be our point B. So we can take any radius. We can take any radius to bisect this line here. So we can now get our arc. We can get our arc. We have gotten our arc. So at the same radius, we are now going to get another arc to bisect this first arc. So we can quickly take our ruler to now join this. So we have now firstly constructed 60 degrees. So from this 60 degree, we can now bisect to get 30 degrees. So we can now take this particular point that we have here to be our point A, this one here to be our point C. So at this point, we can now bisect to get our 30 degrees. So let's use our compass here to see how we can now get this. So at this point, we can have our arc here, the same radius, the same radius. The same radius, we can still have our second arc to bisect that. So from here, we can now use this our ruler to join this particular point. Let this particular point be our point K. Yes, we have succeeded in getting our angle 60 degrees. So let's use this to measure and see if we actually gotten our 60 degree accurately. Yes, you can see from here to here is 60 degrees, right? This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, which is 60 degrees. And from here, which is 0 to here is 10, here is 20, here is 30. So we have gotten our 30 degrees. That is, this angle here is 30 degrees. This angle here too is 30 degrees. And if you sum it, you are going to get your 60 degrees. That is how to construct an angle of 30 degrees.